Good morning, guys. This is our day 2 in Hawaii. The room is amazing. The views are absolutely stunning. I'll start with the room tour. This is our living room. This is our bedroom. This is the laundry unit. Coat closet. The living room is slightly messed up. A mirror. There's one camera recording a time lapse. And this view. That was our room tour. This is an absolutely amazing room, guys. This 7 days we are going to chill, relax, have some good food, take some nice pictures, not think about work, and then back to the hotel. But it's a 200-mile drive, so it's going to take us entire day. Along the line, we are going to explore some good restaurant. Just have a good time, yeah. So selfie sessions are done. We are ready, not almost, and ready to explore Hawaii's Big Island, day 2. Let's go!
This is my husband being sarcastic, guys. That's my husband being sarcastic back at me.
Yo! Welcome back. This is Srinivas Chaudhary's Alludu. We have reached Waimea Coffee, where we'll have our breakfast and coffee, and then we'll start our trip. Now over to Geetika. Geetika is going to show you something nice. I think she found some nice things to shoot. So go ahead, Geetika. Yo guys, welcome back. We are on our road to our next destination, which is what, Sonu?
Valley Lookout Point.
Which is the Valley Lookout Point. We just had a coffee and there was a very small but big effect incident that happened. I dropped my coffee on me. So as you can see, I'm wearing all white. So it dropped all on me and then there was coffee all over me. But now we are okay. It's almost back to white now. You can see, if you look closer, you can still see some stains of coffee. But whatever happens, guys, the enthusiasm should not drop. So no stress. Especially this message is for my wife. No stress, no kit, no chit-pit.
Did not drop coffee alone. He dropped water also.
That was
my
not me.
Seat.
That was
not you. Who closed that last?
I did. No stress, no kit, no chit-pit. I did not even drink water, so.
I did not. I did not even fill it. I did not even touch the bottle since yesterday.
No stress, no kit, no chit-pit. These are all God's way of giving you memories, guys. Even in our Costa Rica trip, there was lizard. And now it was cockroach. So, apparently, Geetika will tell you the cockroach story.
No, there is nothing to tell.
No, tell them how big was it. Was this long, guys. This long cockroach in our car. A foot long cockroach, guys. And I, as the man of the house, brave man that I am, I took that baby cockroach in my hand like this. And I took it out and I threw it in the trash bin. In Hawaii, guys, everything is on 5x. Cockroach was so huge, it could eat a human. But I, the brave man that I am, I was brave since my childhood. But if anybody is
Mama
watching,
को call करो.
because guys, this brave man, this woman, she was so scared, she did not even sit in the car, guys. And I had to go alone inside the car. I took the cockroach out like this and I dumped that cockroach. We did not kill it. We dumped that cockroach in the trash bin and now we are back to our route. But it was, so this all you see, it is cockroach plus coffee stains, guys. So it's just not coffee.
Oh, Sonu, I was not recording.
सच में क्या? This is Michael Schumacher.
क्यों चिल्ला रहा है?
This is how I speak, guys. I'm very enthusiastic, but at the same time, I'm very soft spoken also.
Two very contradictory things.
I don't know if you have noticed, but I've got a little bit of Hawaiian accent,
Which
you are noticing.
they don't speak English. Hawaiian is
That's
a
why.
different language.
That's why the accent, guys. If you see, it's like a Italian mixed Hawaiian accent. Mamma mia.
This is South Indian mixed Italian.
So this is the first stop, Vaiapio Lookout. It's a beautiful cliff surrounded by water, and we are getting ready to get down. Me and my wife. Why are you laughing, Sonu? And I got a bad accent, but that's okay. I got a Hawaiian accent, guys. Come on, you know how it is.
They don't know how it is.
You know how locals speak. But this is me and my wife. Us right here. This is
Anyways,
our second
guys.
stop, Vaiapio Lookout. It's beautiful, and we are going to record some B-roll footages which we would play now. So we are done over here. Vaiapio Lookout was amazing. If you are visiting Big Island, do come here. It's a drive. You can park here in the parking lot, and it's just 2 minutes walk to the main spot. But it's amazing. And furthermore, my wife will tell you her experience. A little bit cranky, but tell what
It
happened.
was amazing. We could only see the highlands because the lowlands is only through a guided tour, and we don't have time for a guided tour, unfortunately. So we're on to our next stop, which is Lapa Hoho, and Jean also suggested that it's a beautiful beach park, so we are excited.
Okay, so next spot, Lapa Hoho Beach. It is going to be awesome. We are excited. Wife is cranky, but no problem. Life is very nice. Wife is also beautiful, but I don't know why cranky. But it's okay. Today we are exploring Hawaii, and it's amazing. I'm on high energy, and this energy will continue throughout the vlog. This is Srinivas Chaudhary Zalludu signing off. I'll see you in the next spot. Till then, enjoy the B-roll footages, and if the videos are shaky, it is shot by my wife. So don't. Hey, we are here on our next spot, which is what, Geetika? Lao Pao Ho 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 Point. And you can see the road is very narrow. I think this is going to be a very beautiful spot. I'm so super excited. Geetika is also in good mood now, so I'm double excited that I will click pictures with her now. And then it's a very narrow road, reminds me of Costa Rica. But over here, I think this is similar to Costa Rica, guys, but it's more expensive than Costa Rica. I think because of the roads.
More
and everything.
developed and more cleaner.
More. Here, which beach, Sonu? La Poi Poi some beach.
Lapua ho.
La Pua Hui Hui.
Hui hui.
La Pua Hui Hui beach. So we had a very amazing time at Hoi Hoi Park, Hoi Hoi Beach. We sat there and just relaxed. Now we are heading to our next location, which is what, Geetika? It is
Some falls.
not falls. I think it's a state park. But anywho, who cares? Enjoy the view, not the name. Lau Pua Hoi Hoi. This was a Lua Pua Hoi Hoi beach. It was amazing. It was Lua Pua Hoi Hoi. Hey, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but we had an amazing time. I think so far so good. I'm excited for the next spot. Geetika, do you have any comments?
No, excited for the next spot. as well.
I'm excited for the next spot. You talk. Hey, Chepu.
Hi guys, we are almost here. We are 6 minutes away.
Yeah.
Although it's just 0.2 miles.
Spot is Aka Falls.
Akaka Falls State Park, and this is supposed to be a must-see spot.
Okay guys, so we are here at Aka Falls now. This is in a half-hour trail. It has a lot of steps up and down, so it's going to be a good workout. Behind me is Geetika, my wife, and the trail is absolutely beautiful. Look at the trees. After this half an hour trail and a good workout, we are going to have a very good Hawaiian meal. So I'm looking forward to it. The breakfast was okay, but I'm hopeful and optimistic on the lunch part. I see white hibiscus flowers on a nice tree. I don't know if you guys can see it. Back. So we are going to eat somewhere. Right now we don't have network, but we did our Aka Falls. I hope you guys like the B-roll footages. The next destination is Pet Puja because we both are very hungry. and we had searched for a restaurant which was Hawaiian style cafe, but that closed at 2, so we are going to look for a new restaurant now. Let's have some Hawaiian food. Enthusiasm is still there, guys. Come on, next destination food, and then we'll explore more of Hawaii. See you there. Bye. Yo guys, it's 3:58 p.m. and we have just finished the Rainbow, what was it?
Falls.
Rainbow Falls. It was okay, not that great.
There was no rainbow.
There was no rainbow. I think we missed the rainbow. We saw only the falls. Bad joke. But it's okay. Well, it's okay. I think my energy levels have dropped a bit, but the food was good. You guys saw it in the B-roll footages. We had those, what bowl? Fish bowl? I can't remember. Dynamite fish bowl, amazing. Chummeshwari, Wawa, but a bombastic performance.
Umma vlog.
Abba, the sun is killing me. I think the
Let's
rainbow.
go now then.
No, wait. Sonu, I have to
Okay,
finish
okay.
this. So next stop is this Mawa Kia Scenic Viewpoint, which is 1 hour 19 minutes, and then we are going to head home, and then we're going to chill in the hotel room, probably watch something on TV or go down in the pool,
Yeah.
relax. Anyways guys, it was a good day. We still have one scenic point to view. We'll go over there and we'll take you guys there.
कुछ भी बोल रहा है.
Yeah, I need tea guys, I need